In the previous lecture, you identified your own emotions and triggers for these emotions. What you need to do is put these behaviours into practice. This is called modelling the desired behaviour. So what we will do here is show you some scenarios.
So the first emotion we're going to look at is anger. In this scenario, you're the manager of a call centre. Deshawn has taken a phone call from a customer. The customer has used threatening language towards Deshawn and the company. Rather than Deshawn displaying anger towards the customer, he has come to you to help resolve the situation. It is important that rather than displaying anger towards the customer, you remain calm and seek to resolve the situation in an amicable fashion. Displaying this type of behaviour in front of Deshawn demonstrates that the best solutions will be reached through the control of your emotions. The second emotion we're going to look at is appreciation. So in this scenario, you're the manager of a retail outlet. There is a big promotion coming up, and Lassith and Susie have re-merchandised the store as per the marketing brief. You show your appreciation by saying, "Excellent work, team. It is greatly appreciated." By modelling this emotion and behaviour, your staff will be more willing to go the extra mile. The third emotion we're looking at is hope. In this scenario, you're an IT manager. You're about to go live with a software upgrade, but the deadline is rapidly approaching. Kumar and Kevin are concerned that you won't be able to get everything up and running in time. However, you tell them, if we can get Anika to help us, then hopefully we will be able to meet the deadline. Rather than show despair and panic, you demonstrate and give hope to the team, keeping them in a positive frame of mind. So there you have it. You can see now that by modelling the desired behaviour and demonstrating the management of emotions is one of the keys to effective leadership and management.